Eric says, Black Star, Power of Africa. Can you see the island? Can you see what I'm seeing? Okay. That's an island in the middle of this. Another island. Yes. It's all about Eric says. Entry into another island. This is the entry of another island. We are entering another island. Yeah. That's what it is. Big man. Oh, nice. Oh, God. Oh, everything there here. You feel plant everything for here. Wow. This maize. This is how maize grew in Africa, Ghana. This is cassava on the island, you know. We're on the water. That's what it is. You can see cassava all around. And you can see maize all around here too. Yeah, I hope you can see that.